guys? This is Nick here from Everything Tech. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you may be. Happy Memorial Day to you if you're in America. If you're not in America, well, happy and good day to you too as well. So this video is the AT&T Phoenix 2 by LG versus the Microsoft Lumia 640 in a versus video. We're going to put these through a boot up test, a speed test, and what we usually do over here. Now, why am I doing this video? I am doing this video because a lot of people, go in the store and they see phones and they go for the price. And right now you can get a Lumia 640 for a measly $30. And this LG Phoenix 2 might run you 99 or 69 bucks, depending on your local Best Buy or wherever you find this device. Is retailing for about 100 bucks right now. So it's quite a bit more, but they both offer similar specifications. Both have 8 megapixel cameras on the back. Both have 5-inch screens, although the Phoenix 2 has a 5 megapixel camera on the front, where this is a 1 megapixel camera. Both are at 720p HD, and the Lumia 640 has a 2500 milliamp hour battery. This has a 2100 milliamp hour battery. So let's boot these guys up at the same time and talk about some of the other differences. So let's do this in 3, 2, 1. So I can tell you right out the gate that the Lumia 640 just absolutely has a better battery life than the LG Phoenix 2 in terms of real world use. So in the case that you're actually using the device heavily throughout the day, the 640 is the champ here. Now, in terms of standby, I would give it to the LG Phoenix 2. It's just really good on standby time, whereas the 640 is really good as well in standby time, but not quite up at the level of the LG Phoenix 2. So I think Microsoft's going to win this battle. In terms of software, the Phoenix 2, Microsoft won this boot up. So in terms of software, the Microsoft Lumia 640 is running the latest and greatest Windows 10 official. Actually, I don't think I updated to the absolute latest. I think they just had an update last week. We're having a little bit of lag there over there, but we're going to show you that we are running Marshmallow here on the Phoenix 2, 100% brightness. Let's go into settings here, and let's go over into general, about phone. Let's go into, I said general, that's iOS. Let's go down. You can see we are running Android version 6.0. Marshmallow here. So you can see that is Marshmallow, tasty marshmallows over here. And then we are running the Windows 10 on here. I mean, I don't even have to really show you guys. You should notice by the, the menus and stuff right here. But for the people who don't know, this is Lumia Windows 10 here on the 640. So basically I have the apps lined up, and we're gonna do what we usually do and go into the application, see which one's quicker. So that everything's closed out over there. Now on Microsoft, you can't flick up, you gotta only flick down. But I do have them lined up exactly the same. Over here I have an app page. So let's get into this right now. So let's go into calendar first. And you can see that was first in the LG, only slightly going back about the same. Let's go into calculator. Slightly faster on the LG Phoenix. Let's go to clock. You can see that was about the same. Let's go into, I don't know why settings are over there. Let's go into eBay. And it looked like that was quicker on the Lumia 640. Now, in terms of the app situation, Microsoft still hasn't caught up, but there's a few cool things that happened. They did get the latest and greatest, Instagram update, so you got that new white theme. So the LG Phoenix 2 won here on Twitter. You do have that new white theme on the Lumia 640, and settings, you guys judge for yourself the speeds here. Let's go into the store. Let's go into the Play Store. Play Store won that one. And then the Microsoft Store is way behind. So the Microsoft Store is not the quickest thing in the world. But like I was saying earlier, they did get the new Instagram update. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I leave a link down below in the description where I post, tech videos or tech pictures, not videos. But you see they did get the new update here for the Windows Phone 10, as well as some other core apps have been getting updated lately too. Developers are still putting them behind Android and iOS, obviously. But let's go into, let's go into the browsers and do a browser test here to see which one is quicker for you. So going over here, you can see we have apple.com. Let's go to apple.com just to make this a little bit fair. Pretty optimized website over here on apple.com. Let's go to apple.com here and go in 3, 2, 1. And let's see which gets there first. Looks like the Lumia 640 is the winner here. And the Lumia 640 on Microsoft Edge has very nice smooth browsing here. But basically you can see they're not too much different in speed overall. I know a lot of people say that this phone is garbage, but I haven't had that experience of this phone being garbage in the real world. The only thing that's garbage in my experience is the apps. I mean, everybody believes that as well, most people. You just don't have the apps. But in terms of the smoothness, I could use this phone easily every day because it just works. I mean, the Lumia 640 just works. That's why it's got a 4.7 stars on 1,500 reviews on BestBuy.com or whatever. It's a really good device, even though it doesn't run Android or iOS here. Now, are there any other positives and benefits? Well, the Lumia 640 has a brighter screen outdoors. It has a better camera, I would say, on the back than the LG Phoenix 2. Better camera on the front is the LG Phoenix 2. The Lumia 640 I think has a better display because it's tweakable. You can make it warm, you can make it cool. It has advanced display settings. And that's about it, you know. We talked about the battery life earlier. The Phoenix 2 overall I think is a slightly better performer in terms of just applications, but in terms of, you know, buttery smoothness, I'd give it to the 640. But that's pretty much gonna wrap this video up. Which phone is your winner in this versus video? I would like to know down below. Leave that below in the comments section. Leave that down below in the comments section. And subscribe to the channel for more technology videos like this. And I will catch you all in the next episode. Be sure to be well and peace.